Okay, this is when we get into the good months on Pinterest. This is when Pinterest shines because this is when pinners get on Pinterest to search for all of the holiday inspiration, the fall feelings, the Christmas, all of those things. End of Q3 and all of Q4 is a great time. So, what do we pin in September? What do we pin in September? Hey guys, it's Tabby with Simple Pin Media, and we are here to help you market effectively on Pinterest. So this is my monthly trends on Pinterest, what to be pinning each month. As you're thinking about trends for the month, for the season, for the quarter, whatever, I want you to remember that when you put a little bit of time at the beginning of planning what content you're creating and then what kind of pins you're creating and how you are meeting the needs of your audience on Pinterest, when you do those things, it really helps with making Pinterest like super easy, smooth the rest of the time. Take these ideas of what's trending in September, what to pin in September, write down like, I don't know, 5 to 10 content ideas. Maybe 10 is too much. Let's say 3 to 5. 3 to 5 content ideas for that month that will play into the trends that we're seeing on Pinterest during that time. So first, let's get into the mindset of the pinner in September. Fall is arriving. School is likely started or about to start. People are getting into a routine. Things that might be on their mind are maybe football season, tailgating, parties, fall parties, football parties, home organization. The kids are out of the house, so let's do something with this mess. Even holiday budgeting. Think about your niche, what you provide, what you do on a daily basis, and then think about how that can help the pinner during this season. Okay, let's talk about trends that we're seeing for different niches and up and coming, like new search terms that are being used for that niche as well. So let's start with the DIY and crafts niche. Current trends for this niche would be DIY Halloween decorations, fall crafts for kids or adults, and pumpkin carving ideas. Like those are what's being searched, what's always kind of been searched on Pinterest. Those are things that are always popular around this time of year. Some growing search trends that we're seeing on Pinterest for this niche, DIY and craft, would be homemade Christmas gifts, DIY Thanksgiving centerpiece, and snowman crafts. So I think last year was snowflake crafts. So this year's snowman. Next niche, education. Current trends for this niche would be back to school organization hacks, fall classroom activities, and Halloween printables. Growing search terms for this niche would be Thanksgiving classroom decor, vision board ideas, and holiday gift ideas for teachers. For sure. I do that. I search that too. Okay, family and parenting niche. Current search trends for this niche would be back to school hacks, of course, family Halloween costume ideas, and fall family bucket lists. I don't know who has time for that. Fall comes around, school's starting, we're getting back into a routine. I guess it inspires me to be a better mother. Like maybe we should go to the pumpkin patch. Growing search terms for this niche would be holiday family photo ideas, holiday budgeting tips for parents, top toys for kids gift guide. Oh, gift guides are like the thing on Pinterest. If you are not doing a gift guide on Pinterest, then you are not doing it right. Fashion and beauty niche. Current trends for this niche would be Barbie inspired outfits, back to school hairstyles, and pumpkin patch outfits. Really? Pumpkin patch outfits? Wait. Growing search terms for this niche would be homecoming dresses, Halloween nails. Every single month, I say something about nails. I'm telling you, nails are always searched on Pinterest. And then holiday fashion 2023. See, I try not to look that up actually because then it just makes me want to buy more things, clothes-wise, you know? Next niche, food and drink. Current search terms for this niche would be back to school lunch ideas, fall baking recipes, and zucchini recipes. Lord, yes. We have a big garden this year and zucchini is just falling from the sky. I have made zucchini dishes, multiple zucchini dishes for the last 5 days. Growing search terms for the food niche would be Thanksgiving recipes, pumpkin recipes, and holiday meal planning tips. Next niche, home. Current search terms for this trend would be fall wreaths, autumn decorating, and Halloween porch decor. Growing search terms for this niche would be prepping your garden for winter. Well, that's a good one. Thanksgiving decor ideas, unique Christmas tree ideas. Next niche and last niche, travel. Current search trends for this niche, and thank the Lord it's the last one, would be fall travel outfits, Halloween at Disneyland, and best pumpkin patch locations. Up and coming trends for this niche would be Christmas in New York City, holiday travel tips, and winter getaway destinations. Whew. There we go. That is what you should be pinning in September. Catch the ride. It's a big one on Pinterest, so get on it. And I'll see you next week.